Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Door thickness, backset, and lock model. This prevents rework. Remove the old deadbolt and install the paper template, lining up the center marks. Once done, drill pilot holes to maintain alignment. Make sure the latch recess is chiseled flush so the new faceplate sits tight. Install batteries in the smart lock unit now so you can test electronics immediately. You do these first actionable steps to guarantee mechanical fit and reduce troubleshooting later. You'll mount the exterior keypad while guiding the cable through the door hole. This maintains weather sealing and prevents pinching. Once the exterior is seated, align and attach the interior mounting plate, then connect the cable harness, follow polarity and clip connectors firmly to avoid intermittent faults. Fasten screws so components are stable but adjustable. This lets you fine-tune latch alignment before final torque. After mechanical assembly, insert batteries and confirm the unit powers on and responds to basic commands. You now program the master code and at least one user code, then pair the lock with your home hub or Wi-Fi bridge so remote control works. Make sure to follow the sequence the manufacturer requires. Test lock and unlock at least 5 times manually and via the app, checking auto-lock timing and door sensor feedback. If something goes wrong, first check battery voltage and cable seating, then resync the unit to the app. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most communication or power problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.